Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2001 Mercury Cougar V6. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Cougar. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today I'm at Monroe Motor Company in Monroe, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go and start it up, let it run. It's a silver exterior with gray perforated leather interior with black accenting. It's got 69,000 miles on it. Fantastic. It's got a full leather-wrapped steering wheel with tight feedback. Also, perforated leather around the bottom 2/3 of the steering wheel with modest grip extensions. This particular one has the 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. A 5-speed manual was an option. And let's go ahead and cut on the headlights, fog lights, as well as hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's go and check out the exterior, shall we? Mercury revised the Cougar nameplate to provide a sporty 2-door coupe to compete with the likes of other competitors such as the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Does come with projector halogen headlamps, sporty angular styling, not traditionally seen in a Mercury. Styled curvaceous hood. Straight side panels. Turn signal accenting. As well as these 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels with 4-wheel disc brakes. Full power sunroof. Rear window mounted wiper. Styling very similar to the Eclipse with the rounded off rear bumper. Rear deck lid spoiler, and a polished exhaust tip. Okay, pop the hood. This particular Cougar is powered by the 2.5-liter dual overhead cam 24-valve V6. Standard engine for the Cougar is a 2-liter 4-cylinder, but for that extra the 2-liter can be quite a bit sluggish, so I definitely opt for the V6. Produces 170 horsepower at 6250 RPM and 165 foot-pounds of torque at 4250 RPM. It is front-wheel drive with, like I said, an optional or 5-speed manual transmission or optional 4-speed automatic transmission. And with a 15.5-gallon fuel tank running on premium unleaded gas, this vehicle achieves an EPA estimated miles per gallon rating of 18 city, 27 highway. Quite a cool engine layout too. Unique engine bay. Went ahead and shut it off this portion to drown out the beeping. Definitely a uniquely styled interior. Plenty of curves and lines. Carpet lower portion. Storage. Perforated accident insert. Little Cougar logo. Bright work around the speaker grills. Aluminum sport pedals. The power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. And the handle's kind of located in kind of an upper offset portion. You have a full power driver's seat. Like I said, with the perforated leather. Fairly good amount of side bolstering. Polished aluminum door sills, as well as a tilt steering wheel. And let's go and see if she sounds. Quite a unique note. And I'm going to shut her up. In-dash 6 CD changer. Standard AM FM. Preset stations down below, your equalizer settings. Mute for your telephone. Disc settings, changing between them, tune, rewind, fast forward, and so on and so forth. Pretty much your standard Ford unit. Simple to use climate control. This particular one I can't find the temperature knob, but they're actually interchangeable. Just for demonstrational purposes. Your different zones, front defrost, max AC, and your fan speed. Control your rear defrost from up here. Driver information system and clock reset. That all shows up below the tachometer. Curvy flowing dash, unique circular aircraft style vents, manually dimming mirror, your power sunroof control, interior illumination, heads up display, your intermittent wipers, cruise control, and headlight controls as you saw earlier. Storage, power outlet, cup holder. You also have another cup holder with storage. It's actually a 2-tier console. Alrighty. We're gonna shut her down. We're going to check out the back seat. It's easy to get into the back seat. Just pull on this little lever here. Bucket seating. Headroom is a little bit tight. I'm about 5'10", my head is touching the ceiling in a couple places, and legroom might be a little bit tight as well for tall passengers. The seats are quite comfortable though. They got a nice amount of side bolstering to them, kind of mimicking the front seat, and they're also perforated. Your rear cup holder. These back seats also fold. Adjustable seat belts. Passenger seat also has a little storage pocket on the back side of it. So let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? The Cougar has a pretty decent amount of trunk space that you'd expect from a hatchback of this size. It's also illuminated, cargo covered, and the back seats fold by these little mechanisms here. Just unlocks them, and then you flip them forward, greatly expanding your cargo space. Fully manual passenger seat. Modest glove box. Not too shabby. Definitely a departure from Mercury in the late 90s. Or at least adding a little bit of extra flavor to the sport coupe market. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 2001 Mercury Cougar V6. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.